What? I didn't know if you were friendly or not. I didn't know if you were friendly or not. Yeah. I turned to my left and he's just staring at me. It's like he's sitting there, like eyeballing me.
Yeah. Let his GoPro on his tail. Speed something.
You know, post on the YouTube.
God. Oh, God. I'm about to get it.
Around the mulberry bush. He chased Louisa.
I thought it was over. I didn't even order.
Good shit, man. Good shit. Woo! I was scared of that Polish dog. I was like, just please.
You got him?
Yeah.
Oh, Cinderella's going to the ball tonight.
Circling each other.
Cinderella's going around to the ball.
Do not let this kid sneak up on you. He's too fucking quiet. He doesn't move. He pitched a fucking tent on the other side of that building and was just like, oh, hey, there's a guy there.
I was like, I did not know if you were friendly or
You
not.
know what? I got a call set for this asshole now.
That's why I waited until you looked to see if you ducked.
Weasel. Hey, Weasel. Good job.
Yeah, I know. another headshot.
Hey, you got a new call sign.
What is it?
Weasel.